essential training series for architects.
In this tutorial, we're going to introduce a new feature in SimLab Composer, creating billboards. Billboards are smart objects that would rotate and change their angle with the camera. To create a billboard, go to File, Create, and click on Billboard. In the billboard creation window, you can set the position of the billboard. You can type in the coordinates, or you can click on the cursor button and pick a point in your scene to create the billboard. An arrow has been created, showing the exact position of where the billboard will be created, and a numerical value for that location's coordinates were posted in the position box. In the image section, you can click Browse and select an image to be created as a billboard. You can set the height of the billboard in meters, and SimLab Composer will adjust the width accordingly to maintain the correct width-height aspect ratio. Set the height to 7 and click OK. It has created a small billboard that rotates with the camera, which is perfect for creating trees from planes without the trouble of creating 3D trees that are time-consuming in terms of rendering and handling. This one seems a bit too large, so I'm just going to scale it down a little bit with the same tool designated for scaling any object in SimLab Composer. Then I'm going to press G on my keyboard to place it on the ground again. Move it a bit to the right and push it back a little. Looks perfect. Let's plant another tree. Go to Create and click on Billboard. Select a position and set the height to 3 without specifying an image. Once you click OK, SimLab Composer will create the default tree and place it according to your settings. Render the scene and notice how the trees cast a shadow and interact with light perfectly. Another excellent usage for billboard is adding people to your scene. I will select an image with an alpha map, and I would assume that the height should be around 1.7 or 1.8 meters, and click OK. Press F4 to render the scene. If you click on the billboard you've created, you can change the material to any material as long as it allows for an alpha map to be used. Billboards are a smart approach to add life to your scene at very little cost.